Hello and welcome to Learn English with Shivkanya. Today we are going to see what is meant by the present participle and its three different usages in English grammar. But before we go ahead, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so that you get the notifications of all my new lessons. Let's start our lesson. So what is meant by the present participle? First I'd like to read all the examples so it is very easy for you to understand the concept of present participle. Talk, talking, cook, cooking, jump, jumping, eat, eating, write, writing, fight, fighting. You can see the verbs which take the ing form are called the present participles. Once again, any verb that takes the ing form is called the present participle. It's very simple. Now we are going to see what are the different usages of this present participle. Let's see the first usage of the present participle. The present participle is used as an adjective in the language. Let's see the example so it is clear to you. A talking machine. Talking gives more information about the machine. So talking is an adjective. In the same way, a cooking pan, a jumping doll, an eating habit, a writing pad, and the fighting soldiers. All these present participles qualify these nouns. That's why they work as the adjective. The present participle is used very commonly as an adjective. Now onwards, when you read something or listen to something, please pay attention to this present participle and its usage as an adjective. The second important usage of the present participle is it is used in the continuous tense. Let's see the example so we'll understand it clearly. The continuous or the progressive tense, whether it is past continuous, present continuous or future continuous, one has to use the present participle. Let's see the examples. He was reading a novel when I saw him. Look at this verb, was reading. The action of reading was going on when I saw him. Let's have a look at this timeline. Past, present and future. In the past, somewhere at this point, the action of reading started and it continued for a while. Was reading. The present continuous tense. I am teaching a grammar lesson now. Am teaching. On the timeline, the action is going on here at present. Am teaching. Teaching is the present participle. The next one, future continuous tense. Next week, we will be painting our new room. Will be painting. Painting is the present participle. On the timeline in future, we will be painting our new room. Painting, the action of painting will be going on at some point in future. In short, one has to use the present participle to form the continuous tenses. Now let's see the third usage of the present participle. The present participle is used as a gerund in a sentence. The word gerund sounds weird, right? But this is how it is. If you don't want to say gerund, you can use the more sophisticated name, that is a verbal noun. Okay. Now let's see. The present participle, the form is the same, verb plus ing, but when it functions as a noun in a sentence, it is called the gerund. Let's see the example so it is clear to you. Swimming is my favorite sport. Swimming is the present participle, but at the same time it functions as a noun in this sentence. In the same way, eating bread is bad for health. Eating, ing form, the present participle, but this also functions as a noun. Another example, she dislikes learning mathematics. She dislikes what? Learning mathematics. Learning mathematics is a phrase which functions as an object. In this phrase, learning functions as a noun, that's why it's a gerund. We can't afford making the same mistake. We can't afford what? Making the same mistake. Making the same mistake is an object. In this object, making functions as a noun, that's why it's a gerund. By these examples, I hope it is clear when to call the present participle a gerund. Okay? Now let's have a quick revision. Present participle means verb plus ing. It is used in three different ways in English grammar. First, it is used as an adjective. It is used in all the three continuous tenses, and it is used as a gerund when it functions as a noun in the sentences. Hope all the points are clear to you. We'll see you again with one more new lesson. Till then, keep watching, keep learning. Learn English with Shivkanya. Thank you.